Hello class 7, this is teacher Regina once again, and today's topic is about displaying data using the stem and leaf diagram. First, what is a stem and leaf diagram? This is a special sort of bar chart in which the bar are made from the data itself. So let us have the first example. In this data, it records the height in centimeter of 30 adults. So these are the data, okay, that they get from the 30 adult. It means this number showing height in centimeter. Using the same data, so we need to do it in a stem and leaf diagram. So how are we going to do it? First, we need to have the key. Key means what does it means? For example, since we have 3-digit number, so we will use 2-digit number inside this line. Okay, so later on you will know what does it mean of where is the stem and the leaf. Okay, now, so if we see this one, it means the number inside and outside. If we put it together, it means that is 165 centimeter. Now, let us start our stem and leaf diagram. So, when you want to start in a stem and leaf diagram, you must to start from the lowest data. So here, we have our lowest data is 161. So, we will use the 2-digit first, the first 2-digit. So, I will put the 16 inside these two lines. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is we need to look every number that is start with 16 or 1 and 6. Okay. So, we will start with the lowest. Outside, what we need to write is the next number only. So, it means that is 1. Okay. So, for us to not forget that we already use the number, okay, so we are going to cancel each number. Okay, so I cancel. The next one is 5. It means that is 165. Okay, next one is 8. It means that is 168. The next one is 8 again. It means we have another 168. Okay, so another one is another 168. And the next one is, do we have one more? So no more, starting with 6. Okay. So what is the next? With the 16 or 1 6, which is the 17. Okay. So we need to look for the data which is start with the first number of 17. So the first one that we see is 172 is the lowest. So we will just put the 2. Next to it is another 172 again. So we will put another 2. Okay, so remember, this is another data. Even they are in the same number, so you need to put it to count as data. Okay, next to 172 is 173, so we will put the 3. Next to it is 174, so we will put the 4. Next to it is 175, so how many 175? We have the 2, so we will put 2, 5, or another, I see again another one, so I will put another 5. Next is 176. So 1, 2. So it means I will put 2, 6. Okay. Next is 7, 177. So I will put another 7. Okay. and next to it is 178, so I will put 8, and next to it is 179. So how many 179 do we have? 2. So I will put the 29. Next to it is the number with the first number of 1 and 8. So the first one is 180. How many 180 do we have? So we have the 2 180. So I will just put the 0. Okay, next is 181. So we have also 2 181. So I will just put the 1 also. 2 ones. Okay, next is 182. So we have 182. So I will just put 1 2 only. Next to it is 183. So I will put 1 3 only. And then 184 next to it. As you see, I arrange it according to the order from highest data to the lowest data to the highest data. So next to it is 186. Okay. And next is 188. So how many 188 do we have? So we have 2 188. And the last is the number that begin with 1 and 9. So what we have, how many more data? So we have the 190. So I will put the 0. And next to it is 192. So I will put the 2. So this is how our stem and leaf diagram. So where is the stem? In this part, this is showing the stem. Okay. And this part is showing the leaves. So that's why we called it as a stem and leaf diagram. In a stem leaf diagram, it is already ordered from lowest data to the highest data. Now, let us calculate the mean, median, and mode from a stem leaf diagram. So, another example. Okay, in a stem leaf diagram, below, it shows the length of the earthworm in centimeter. So, this is our stem leaf. It's already arranged in a stem leaf. So, what is the key of this one? The key means that 10 and the 9 is outside, means that is 10.9 centimeter. So, it means that, okay, it means that this 8 and 0 means 8.0. And this one is 8.1, 8.3, 9.1, and so on. So that is the meaning of that. So how we will calculate the mean from the stem leaf diagram? Okay. So what we need to do is to find the sum of all the data. Okay, so we need to add all the data. Okay, I put this one because we don't have space. It means just continue adding until the last data. And we need to divide it by the number of values. How many values do we have? It is equal to 20 all. Okay, now it means after that, after you add, okay, we will add. And when we add, it is 200.2. Okay, divide by 20. So our mean is equal to 10.0 centimeter. Next, what about the median? So, the median represents the middle value when the data is arranged in order. Since in a stem leaf diagram, okay, the data is already arranged in order. So in medium, it is important to know how many value do we have. So we have 20 data value. Okay, so if we divide the 20 in 2, that's why we need to get median in the middle, no? So the answer will be 10. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But since we are in the middle, so we need to look for the middle number, which is the 10 and 11. Okay, so it means this is in the middle, this number. Okay, we are just in the middle. So what does it means this number? They are the 10.4 centimeter and 10.6 centimeter. So since they have the same whole number, so what we need to look is the 4 and 6. What do you think is in the middle of 4 and 6? So the middle of 4 and 6 is zero point 0.5. So it means our median is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Okay, next one. We need to get the mode. Mode is very easy. How you will know that is the mode? The value that occurs most often. So it means the value that you see most of the time in the same order. Okay. So as you see here, 2 here, it is only 3 times here on this part. But here it's 2. So which one is mostly we see is the 6. Okay. So here, most number because they are 4 together. So what does it mean? It means our mode, we cannot say that is only 6. So our mode is equal to modal, or mode is the same. Okay, 10.6 centimeter. So this is only our modal. Okay, that's all for today. I hope everyone understand our topic, and thank you for listening. I'm always waiting for your activity. Keep up the good work, guys.